Okay.
Howdy, y'all. We're here at the Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Okay.
Yep. We're here for the Purdue.
Purdue, Arizona.
And guess who Jay's rooting for? Come on.
To the right.
Oh.
We're coming.
Got it? There you go. How you doing?
What? Yeah.
Where you going?
We're going down to the bottom. Thank you. How's your day going?
Okay.
This us? Thanks.
No.
Oh. Oh. Yep, one more.
Bit level, please. Connor's actually leaving us.
Here we go. Look.
Today's his last day.
Is that what she's saying, the farewell party or something? Where's he from?
Lily.
That's cool.
All right, thank you.
Market and communication.
He's going to be graphic design for.
This we're getting off?
No, I think
Oh, we went. Oh.
Mid-level?
No, we wanted like that. I think that level we were just on, like the first
It's
level.
3.
Oh, 3? Oh, okay. You want to get off here? Maybe this is where we get
You
off.
don't want, wait a minute. What's your ticket say?
So our tickets say
200.
205.
205 is only 5.
Oh, okay. Well, we want to go 5 then. Sorry.
Watch these doors. These are cool, actually.
These are?
Yeah, those open. Only time they open is to the back, to the lobby.
Oh, okay.
It's the lobby. Did you want to take pictures out there?
Maybe. You want to get out here, Jay?
This is free.
Oh, this is 3. Okay. I'm so confused.
You're going up to 5.
Okay.
Yes.
Tickets start with the 2, you're on 5.
5, okay. I think we got some handicap seats. 205, row 2A.
Okay, 205 be to your left.
To the left? Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the game.
You have a great day.
You too.
These are cool.
Pretty neat, Jay.
Very, very cool.
Anything else you want to say before we shut off?
See you later, folks.
How about giving the cat sign?
Go Wildcats.